Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to tell you guys about my experience with Aramex and with buying on Pretty Little Thing. Mostly with Aramex, but I bought from Pretty Little Thing and used them to get my stuff here. So basically Aramex is a forwarding agency, and how it works is, you go to their website, you create your profile, and then you pay 150 rand for the membership thing. So after you pay your 150, you get access to about 30 addresses all over the world. So they have UK, US, China, Belgium, I think, maybe, I don't know, I might be lying, but yeah, they have around 30 addresses available for you to use. So when you're shopping online, instead of you using your home address, right, and then having it be international shipping, and then it will come into the country and go to the JMC and go through customs, and then you must switch it from the post office, what you do is you put in the address of the specific country. So like if it's UK, then you'll use the address provided for the UK with the account number that they give you, and yeah, you make your order. So let's say you buy from Amazon, right? They will prepare your order or whatever. Your parcel will then be delivered to the chosen Aramex address, and then they will forward it to you, like straight to your door. That's basically how it works. You buy from whatever online website, you use one of the addresses that they have available, and then they ship it to you. But you'll have to pay them for shipping as well, which, like, granted, it's coming international, so you would have to pay for shipping, and they handle the customs. So it won't be a thing of you going to the post office and asking where it is and that whole thing. No, you can track it on their app or on their website. Even both of them work properly and they're quite easy to use. So I've bought stuff online twice and had it delivered by them, and the first time, okay, it was both kind of at the same time, but anyway, I used two different addresses so I could compare the time it takes to get things here. So the first one I did was the US, and well, not the first one, the second one, but I'm starting with it. So the US one, right, I made my order on Pretty Little Thing on the 14th of January, right? So it arrived at the Aramex office in the US on the 18th of January. So that's what, 4 days, right? It's pretty quick. It's domestic delivery for that, so it shouldn't take too long. After that, Aramex received my parcel and they processed it, and it only appeared on my app on the 22nd of Jan, and they delivered it to my house on the 29th of January. So from the 14th of Jan, when I placed my order, to the 29th, I don't know how many days that is. You can calculate it. I'll leave the calculation here. It was short, sweet, done, proper. The shipping I paid for this one was 304 rand, right? And yeah, I only paid for shipping. I didn't pay for customs because my order was less than 500 rand. And yeah, it weighed 1.38 lbs, which I don't know how much that is in kg. So my second order, which is the one that I made in the UK, I made my Pretty Little Thing order on the 8th of Jan, and they delivered it to the UK address on the 10th of Jan. So that's quite quick, and I will say that's one of the advantages, is because you're using domestic shipping, which is generally cheaper than the international. Like, not much cheaper, but it's cheaper than the international, and it gets there much quicker. Aramex updated my app on the 11th of Jan, and it says that it was received at the Aramex facility, and it was delivered to my house on the 16th of January, which, guys, I don't see how there's anything not to like about this. Like, it's quick. If you want to buy online and you want to get your things quickly, I really think you should use something like this. I'm not saying that this is the only one available. I know that there's like probably multiple that already exist, but this is the one that I think worked properly for me. So that package weighed like 0.2 kg, and I paid 199 for shipping, and depending on the weight, the shipping rate changes. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. Aramex is very simple. Everything is clearly explained on their website. If you need an indication on how to fill in the address, they do give you an example with the account number that they allocated to you, so you can see exactly what to fill in and where. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think there's many mistakes you can make. So yeah, you should definitely check it out. And on their website, they actually have some gems, right? So I was reading, and actually for you to avoid, you know, the whole ordering under 500 rands in order to avoid customs thing, there is a catch to that. So basically, parcels under 500 rands don't get charged VAT if it's one parcel that's come in on that flight manifest. So if I bought something and it's coming into the country, let's say tomorrow on a flight, right? My parcel is less than 500 rand, you know, it's only one, then I won't get charged customs because it's only one parcel and it's 500 rands. But if you buy two separate parcels of 500 rand and they come in on the same flight, right, you will get charged customs because they've come in on the same flight manifest, right, and they're both under your name. So you will get charged VAT on those two packages individually. That's something I didn't know, and that explains why a lot of people will be like, well, my parcel was 500 and 500 but I still got charged customs. You know, that's why. Just in case you forgot, customs is 45% on clothing and 15% VAT. Some companies sometimes they might charge you like a levy. So I think SARS does charge a levy, and I know DHL does as well. And yeah, but I don't think Aramex does that. I'm not very sure because, you know, I haven't been charged customs as yet. So yeah, I wouldn't know. So that's it from me about Aramex. I think I would highly recommend you use it. I haven't seen any red flags, so yeah, go and try it out. It's 150 for the membership, but they do have a premium membership which is like expensive. I don't remember how much, but it's expensive. So yeah, but they do have that 150 option, and it's a once-off 150. It's not like you're gonna be paying it every single month. So yeah, definitely go and check it out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with everybody. But I know you need convincing to subscribe. So watch another video or 2 or 5 and then subscribe. But I'll see you guys in the next video.